Hello friends, welcome again to Women's Corner. Today we are going to see some of the useful kitchen tips and tricks. So let's get started. First of all, we can see how we can store the coriander leaves, or which we call as cilantro, for a long period in fridge. We have to first trim the ends. That means we need to trim the roots. Cut off any dry tips from the stem of the cilantro in your bunch. Dry the cilantro completely before you store them. For that, you can just leave cilantro on a newspaper for few hours. Once they are completely dry, you can layer the cilantro in between the layers of dry kitchen paper towels. Using this technique, you can store cilantro fresh for 3 weeks. The next step is to store green chilies in fridge for a long period. So first of all, we have to remove the stem of green chilies. Then we have to make sure that the green chilies are dry. Then we can simply wrap them in kitchen paper towels like I am showing in the video, and we can store them in airtight containers. We can store ginger using a plastic tray like this. We can just align them on the tray and cover the tray using a food covering plastic sheets available everywhere in the stores. And if we are storing like this, the ginger remains fresh for a long time in the fridge. We can seal the stem of banana bunch with a plastic wrap. This limits the amount of oxygen the stem receives, and we can keep the bananas fresh for another week. Easily peel an orange by rolling it around on the table first. Use this simple technique to store your carry bags. Whenever you want to store apple slices, store them in an airtight container. And if you don't have an airtight container, make sure you spread some lemon juice over them before you store in normal container. This will avoid discoloration. While you are storing curry leaves, remove them from stem and wrap them in a kitchen paper towel and store in an airtight container in fridge. Now we can see some general kitchen tips. Hope you all like the video. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching Women's Corner.